we've created a whole movie, we can export it to video or other formats. To hear the sound in scene 1 when we export, select the 2 sound keyframes on frame 1 and move them to frame 2. This is a workaround for an unfortunate Animate bug. To export, simply click on the File menu and Export Video. We have the option to send it to Adobe Media Encoder, which is best if you want a smaller file size. For this, you require Adobe Media Encoder to be installed. In this class, we covered drawing, animating frame by frame, using instances to create tweening motion. We work with motion guides. We learned how to add easing to create realism. And we combine everything together with sound to create an animated movie. If you're a beginner in animation, start small and build up your expertise project by project. If you have a vested interest in 2D animation, I suggest you use your new skills as a stepping stone to learn more about animation principles. In addition, the animation techniques covered in this class are great starting points for learning other animation software. If you like this class, please leave a review below. Thank you for attending and see you again soon.